Today, we're talking about shrubs, not outdoor shrubs, not shrubberies, not things you grow in the garden, but things that are from the garden. We're making these really great mixers called shrubs, which are a combination of fruits, vinegar, and sugar in equal parts. Let it sit, hang out. You get a really great thing you can mix with cocktails, mocktails, soda water, regular water if you're that kind of person. Whatever you want. Let's do it. Today, we are using 3 awesome summer fruits: strawberries, peaches, and raspberries. You can use whatever you want. These are just some of my favorite. Definitely think about the color that you're gonna get out of the fruits because that's something really eye-catching. Luckily, the prep for all of these is super easy. For the strawberries, we're gonna clean them, hull them, and dice them into quarters. Next, put them in a sealable jar. For the peach, we're leaving the skin on, taking the pit out, and cutting it into chunks. Then we'll put that in a jar too. Raspberries are easy, they go right in the jar. Giving the raspberries a little muddle helps release the juices so your infusing happens faster. And if you don't have a muddler, the back of a wooden spoon works perfectly. Next up is the sugar. Remember, you're gonna need some sweetness because we're putting vinegar in this. Vinegar has all these great properties, but it's also not the most delicious thing because of that tanginess, so sweetness, that's what we need. White sugar is gonna be your safest bet because the fruit will shine through the most. But you can also use brown sugar, raw sugar, really whatever you want. You can even go maple or coconut, but that's really gonna change your flavor, so be sure to think about that before you start mixing. For today's shrubs, I'm going to use white sugar for the strawberries, brown sugar for the peaches, and a really nice cane sugar for the raspberries. The final ingredient in the shrub is vinegar, and this is another place where you can mix and match and get creative and have some fun with it. The best standby option is an apple cider vinegar. That will go with pretty much everything, and it's a great place to start if you're not sure you want to get too creative quite yet. But if you're feeling like you want to get out there a little bit more, try a white balsamic. It goes really well with light fleshed fruits like peaches or apricots, and you'll get a slightly different flavor. For darker fruits like a raspberry or cherry, it can be really nice to use a regular balsamic vinegar. You get a really good flavor, and that dark color complements the dark color of the fruit. And that's it. Put on the lids and give them a shake. That's it for shrubs. These are ready to use. Put them in the fridge for 2 to 3 days and give them a taste. If you like it at that point, strain out the fruit and keep using them. If you want stronger flavor, leave the fruit. The more it's in there, the more flavor, juices, all that good stuff's gonna come out, and you'll get a stronger shrub in the end. Let me show you 3 different ways to use these in really great drinks. First up is the strawberry shrub spritzer, perfect for any time of day. Start with ice, strawberry shrub, club soda, garnish with strawberries and fresh mint. When you get closer to happy hour, try the peach-shrub BELLINI. Still just 2 ingredients. Peach shrub, sparkling white wine, garnish with a fresh peach. We're finishing up with a raspberry shrub daiquiri. In a shaker, combine ice, raspberry shrub, simple syrup, and lime juice. And of course, the rum. And shake it. Strain into a chilled glass. Garnish with fresh raspberries. And there you have it, 3 tasty shrubs, 3 delicious drinks. Get everything you need to create at myblueprint.com. Cheers.